Welcome back! Thank you so much for joining us today. On this segment, we have made sandwiches, fruit salads, painted, colored, and so much more. All this on the DIY segment.
Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is Rishna and I have a very special friend here. Do you want to tell us your name? Tell us what's your name?
Hanish.
Yeah, I have Hanish here today and Hanish is going to help me make a dog with love hearts. Pom-poms,
Pom-pom.
googly eyes,
Googly eyes.
heart stickers,
Heart stickers.
a pencil,
A pencil.
some glue,
Some glue.
a paintbrush,
A paintbrush.
scissors,
Scissors.
white paper
White paper.
and a template of a heart. We're going to cut that out. Can I help you cut this one out? I'm quickly going to cut out on the line. Can you see I'm cutting on the line? When I give you yours, I want you to cut it just like this on the line. Wow. Can you see my love heart? Mommy or?
Papa.
Yes. Because you might just cut yourself. Do you want to cut yourself?
Yes.
No, you can't cut yourself, darling. Okay, cut for me the heart, please. On the line, okay? Oh, sorry, those are two papers. Here you go. Wait, how do you like to hold your paper? Wow, that is so cool. Can I help you cut this line now? Okay. Very nice. Now I want us to use my heart, okay? I like your heart, but we use my heart, okay? All right, perfect. Let's put the scissor here now. So we need two hearts to make this dog. One is for Hanish and one is for me. Okay, one is for Rishna and one is for
You.
Hanish. Okay, now see, we're going to stick hearts for the ears of the doggy.
The dog.
Yeah, we're going to make a doggy. Okay, see, we have big hearts.
Is this mine?
Yeah, we're going to share. Hanish and Rishna will share. Okay, which one do you want? Which one do you want? You want those two? Okay, I'm going to take the two pink ones. You see, you have to remove from behind here the white paper, the sticker. Get here for the ear of the doggy. Here is yours. Okay. See mine. I'm going to put it here. Very nice. And then you do another one like that on this side.
I want a stick of glitter.
Yeah, even I've stuck of glitter. And see, that looks like the, yeah, look, that looks like the ears of the doggy, yeah?
Yeah.
And now we're going to stick the eyes. And how do you think we're going to stick the eyes? With some?
Glittering.
With some glitter. Eyes stick with glitter. How many eyes does a doggy have?
1, 2.
Oh, he has 2 eyes? Okay, can I give you your 2 eyes for the doggy? Okay. And see, we're going to stick with some glue. You take some glue in the paintbrush and then you put it on the googly eye. Very good. Do the other one. Very good. Now, do you want the pink pom-pom or the purple pom-pom?
I want.
You want purple? Okay, and this is going to be the nose of the doggy. What is this going to be?
Nose.
nose of the doggy. We have to stick it over here like that. How are we going to stick that? Here, under the eyes. Yeah. How do we stick that? With glue. Very good. Please stick yours. And then we have to put a spout. What is it called? I don't know. Then we have to put another pom-pom here. Which one are we going to put? You want which one? Yellow or black? Which one? You can only put one. You want which one? Yellow or black?
Black.
Okay. Can I have the yellow one, please? Thank you. See how I'm going to stick it? I put glue there and then I put it there.
And what's that?
That's the mouth. Wow, it's ready. Is it ready? What have we made?
A dog.
Yeah, a heart dog. Thank you so much for watching. We will be back again next week with another activity. Bye.